Today, we're tackling a vital topic: how to protect plants from heat stress. As gardeners, we know that extreme heat can be as challenging to our plants as it is to us. So let's dive into how we can help our green friends withstand those scorching summer days. First up, it's crucial to understand what heat stress in plants looks like. Symptoms include wilting, sunburn, and a halt in growth. It's not just about discomfort. Prolonged exposure to extreme heat can be devastating for plants. One of the most effective ways to combat heat stress is through mulching. A good layer of mulch keeps the soil temperature stable and retains moisture, which is like giving your plants a cool drink on a hot day. Organic mulches, such as straw or wood chips, serve this purpose beautifully. Next, let's talk about proper watering. Early morning is the best time to water your plants during a heat wave. It allows the water to reach deep into the roots before the sun can evaporate it. Also, consider drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots, where it's needed most. Providing shade is another strategy. During the hottest parts of the day, temporary shade from cloth or plant-specific umbrellas can protect sensitive plants from direct sunlight, keeping them cooler. Another point to consider is choosing heat-tolerant plant varieties. Some plants are naturally equipped to handle high temperatures better than others. Research and plant those resilient varieties to ensure your garden thrives even when the mercury rises. Don't forget about soil health. Enriching your soil with organic matter can improve its water retention and aeration, helping plants stay hydrated and healthy. Regularly adding compost or manure can make a significant difference in how well your plants cope with heat. Lastly, be vigilant. Keep an eye on your plants for signs of heat stress and act quickly if you notice any symptoms. Early intervention can prevent damage and help plants recover faster. In conclusion, protecting plants from heat stress requires a combination of techniques, including mulching, proper watering, providing shade, selecting the right plant varieties, and maintaining soil health. With these strategies, you can help your garden not just survive, but thrive during those hot summer days. Thank you for watching. Remember, being a successful gardener means being adaptable and proactive, especially when it comes to dealing with the challenges of the weather. Use these tips to keep your garden healthy and vibrant, no matter the temperature. Happy gardening!